Today I'm going to do a video of a mulching kit install for a Z242, which is a 48-inch deck. Why they said it's a 242, I don't know. But anyway, it's a Kubota Z242, and I gotta tell you, I gotta apologize because normally when I do these installations, I get everything going from the start. But on this one, it was one page. The instructions were one page, and it's like, it should be really simple. Well, at least in my head, it surely was not. So this is the parts I took out, and I'm starting from right to left. And the right side is if you were sitting on the zero turn, right is on your right, left is on your left, facing forward. So in the instruction manual, it says to take out this part and then this part, which actually has another part on it that goes over here, right? And it says to take it and store it because you may use it again. Well, this part over here, you don't put away and store it. It actually goes back on. So if you've got the kit, you know that there are 3 parts in it, right? And this part is the right side, this is the center, and then this is the left side. And on the left side is where this part that came out here joins this part. And by the way, all 3 of these kind of go on in an exact sequence. If you don't do them right, you're gonna really mess stuff up. And the videos I watched online, it said put in the middle one. Nope, you can't put the middle one in. You actually have to start on the right side. And you will see once you start putting these together, because there's a couple of bolts here and here that actually mount to the deck itself. And there's flanges, and the flanges are staggered. So when you mount them, you will see there's a gap between it. And if you don't put them in the right order, the gap will be wrong. Oh, and one more thing, it comes with mulching blades, even though they don't look like mulching blades. They are, I decided not to use them. I decided to use the gator blades, and you'll see them once we get underneath. I've tried it already. It seems to work. So now that I'm under the machine, I will show you the part that you need to keep, and it's this one right here. This one stays in the actual mower deck. And this is from right to left. This is the very first part you put in, and you see this flange right in here. It's actually flush to the bottom. This next center one is not flush, so it's got a stack on top. So the next one that goes in is the center one, and that is this one. And then the third one is where your chute normally goes, you know, your chute there. And when you're putting this all together, don't tighten any nuts down till you get everything up in place. So again, it'll go from the far end here. This is number 1 right there. Number 2 is right here, and number 3 is right here. So this is the right side, and this flange actually goes on the outside. This one comes in here, and you've got that one bolt holding it here. There's a gap in there, and I'm not for sure. I thought maybe this kind of went underneath, but there's no way. It would not go. So I ended up putting it on the outside, and grass gets through there. I don't know, whatever. Maybe I'm being just too OCD. And this is the instruction booklet. And like I said, it's virtually 1 page long, and it really, it's just not a good manual. And along with that, on the next page is where it shows how to put the blades on. But the blades are supposed to be orientated. Now maybe on the mulching kit, it doesn't matter. But if you go to your manual, it will show you your mulching blades actually set up in a specific order. Before you tighten them down, you have to have them, you know, in this particular order. So I did that on mine. You're going to have to look in your manual for that. I guess I would do it just in case you're going to be taking this mulching kit on and off. I personally will never take the mulching kit off. It seems to work really good. I haven't given it a full test, but if it seems like it's not working well, I will report back. Hopefully this helped you guys install your mulching kit on your Z242. Now this might work on other zero-turn, Kubota zero-turns, but I have only the 242 and I couldn't tell you about the rest of them. Thanks, have a good day.